In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Gmail password. If you've previously saved your Gmail login details in Google Chrome, you may be able to view that saved password through Chrome's built-in password manager. This is useful if you need to sign in on another device or simply want to confirm which password is currently stored. Just keep in mind that this only works if the password was saved in your browser beforehand. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Chrome dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in the browser, especially if you use more than one account. This matters because saved passwords are often connected to the profile you're currently using. Once you're on the Chrome dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the apps icon. This is where you can access different Google-related tools and services connected to your browser experience. Take your time here because depending on your layout, the icon may appear slightly different, but it will still be in that upper right area. After that, click on Password Manager. This will open the section where Chrome stores login information for websites and services you've chosen to save. It's essentially a secure list of saved usernames and passwords, all kept inside your browser profile. When you're inside Password Manager, scroll through the list of saved websites. You'll see entries for different platforms where passwords have been stored. Look carefully for Gmail or a related Google sign-in entry. If your Gmail password was saved in Chrome, it should appear here in the list. At this point, you'll be able to identify the Gmail entry and access the saved login details from there. In some cases, your device may ask you to verify your identity before showing the password. For example, you might need to enter your computer password PIN or use fingerprint authentication. That extra step is there to help protect your private information, which is especially important on shared devices. If you don't see Gmail in the list, that usually means the password was never saved in Chrome, or it may have been saved under a different browser profile. So if needed, double check that you're using the right Chrome account before assuming it's missing. And that's how to see your Gmail password using Google Chrome's Password Manager. Be sure to handle your password carefully, avoid sharing it, and only view it on a trusted personal device.